Oh, we're live. Straight to live. Straight to live. I don't know if it's working or anything, but.
When I heard the alert on my phone, so Discord alerted it.
Uh-huh.
I heard the alert on his phone.
Da, 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 da. I don't know how any of this works. But it does work. You said it did do the Discord thing?
I heard a beep by the time you were clicking stuff.
Okay. Oh, it did.
Here you go.
It did do the thing. OBS says it's excellent. Oh, hey. Well, we've already got people in chat, so.
Already.
Yeah. We got Tech Geek, Kyber, Bomberski, Michael Greathouse, Sky Marie. Whew. What's playing audio? Oh, is it your phone?
He's got it on. 20 seconds away.
17. Wow. Well, how's everyone doing? I'm just gonna knock this off of here if I try to do that, huh?
Probably.
Got
Knife.
lots of pieces.
Try not to dox yourself right out of the gate.
Yeah. No, thank you, Tech Geek. Yeah, we spent a couple weeks looking at various CNC tables, and I agree the Altmill looked like the best thing we could get for the money. All right, what's up?
Knife.
Oh, are you without a knife this time?
I am without a knife.
Wow, even this one has a knife. What is going on?
Somebody have a knife for me.
Everyone's got a knife but you. Kyber, that's exactly what both of us are going through right now. Our printers, our tool heads keep breaking and hot ends are jamming.
I don't want to talk about it.
Box Turtle's like ready to break hot ends off of printers, pushing so hard, but everything wants to clog. That's just a T-track, right?
That's what T-Trax right now.
Yeah, so we don't even.
We don't need that yet.
Okay. Yeah, Damascus. The tool changer for this, we will be getting it, but beyond a 3018 CNC machine, this is actually going to be like my first time messing with the CNC, so not trying to throw extra things into the mud with it right out of the gate. So after the power cycle, it
Yes.
came back up to the website, but the website didn't persist on the page that we had. because it's all one web page, but that's an interesting way of doing it.
Yeah,
Kinda.
remember?
That's the y-axis.
This is Y, and I think frame brackets are in here.
Okay. There's so much to it.
Yes. Nice. 3D printed shipping spacers.
Really?
Yep.
How's the print quality on them?
Pretty good.
This was the back. That's the back, right?
Right, yeah. We'll start it from the back so when we flip it.
Okay. Is there a fastener kit?
Yes. The hardware kit was under the X,
Okay.
I think. This hardware kit's just stepper couplings and in stops, is what this is. So I think it's under that.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Well, will you go grab the T-handles just like behind the computer? The two T-handles. Oh, you left it open on the floor, so I picked it up.
Well, I'm still using it.
Oh, I know, but you're being irresponsible.
Those are the in between, and then they have some bottom spacers too.
That must be their support material.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. They're just printing them like a stack of them.
They split them.
Yeah.
Smart. Here's end plates.
In plates. Let me get your knife from you. Or maybe never mind. They are. You want a tomahawk? Steel. So far, the fit and finish on everything I've looked at has been just beautiful.
Two of them. I'm guessing the other ones are under the X.
Okay. Oh, I guess let's get the
Our front and back.
out. Yeah, they are.
Knife open on the floor. And that was
That's probably your fasteners there.
yeah.
Okay. Cool. Drag chain it says.
Power supply.
Power supply.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Okay.
That's probably hardware.
Yep. There's fasteners up. Oh yeah. Significant. Excesses.
They got them labeled in parts.
Ooh. Is there a bag for every fastener?
And tools.
LEO style? Ooh.
Nickel latch.
There's the tool bed. I did not see if that roll off has been picked up or not yet.
I don't think it is,
No?
but I don't know that we have anywhere to put this in.
AppSec, we are hardly working, obviously.
Always.
Always. What you got?
Fancy tool. I like the wrench for the feet.
Each of the boxes is so heavy, I hate to freaking move the machine once it's together. Cool. What screws do we use?
These. And fives.
Of course they're in pies. What length? Cross-beam screws.
No, we're not using those yet.
That's what it says.
Not for putting the rails on.
Cross-beam screws. M5 socket head cap screw.
Yes. Okay.
You see now?
These.
These? Why does it say to use these?
Those are for later.
You sure?
I'm pretty head.
Here, look at this. It says parts needed.
Yeah, that's for putting on the cross beams. We're not doing that yet.
That's exactly what we're doing.
Those have to go in, I'm guessing.
No, that's for screwing the
Yeah,
build
the deck
plate in.
down.
The spoil board.
Okay.
I can see now it says for the legs we use
Yeah,
those.
the button heads. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Do what it says.
Do what it says,
Do it once.
not what we do. Got it. This from the front, so all these goes.
They all face into the front or the back?
They face the back.
That is an interesting fastener.
This is right, you said tall head screw, huh?
Yeah. It's like a socket head, but the socket's like a mile long. Here you go.
I'm gonna use that.
You use the one that they included.
Mhm.
They did include tools for basically everything. Hey, I told you we need a power greaser.
We did.
515 or 14.
13. Front and front. One of them's only 2. The back's only 2. For the front, kind of backwards. I've got 4.
Right on. Losing forever. Yeah,
We're started.
you went ahead of the instructions.
No, did it?
You did.
I'm going off the video.
You're going off the video.
Yeah,
I didn't watch the video.
fair. Now you can do it.
Oh, you only put one in there.
Yes.
Wow, that's what I get for expecting else. Perfect. Oh, now I see why they're like that.
Yep.
Probably why the instructions say to lay out the whole frame and then start putting fasteners.
Or you just went too tight.
I literally can't bring them to the ledge now.
dripping piece on it too.
I sees it. I sees it. There. Not going anywhere now. Cool. Are you sure we can't use an impact driver?
I guess. I mean, we can.
Make sure we strip every single bolt on it.
You never want them to come out again.
Wow. Pretty large bed. Are we tightening them fully?
I just have it snug until I get them on.
Rip headphone users, what happened? Yeah, solar. It's this part of the shop is 1,600 square foot. And we have a few hundred more of office space.
So less than 500 square foot office space.
Loud oh, from moving those extrusions around probably, huh? There's not really any stuff in here yet, but it's a large space to not have any like shelving or anything, so it's a little echoey in here right now. It's just tighten everything. It's good, it's good. Right?
Yep.
Click. That was a pretty good click.
That was a good click.
Click. Human portrait. I already broke my T-handle. That did not last long.
Too much click.
A little too much human portrait. Cool. All right, legs are next.
Legs are next. I'm already bleeding.
First blood has been drawn by the CNC.
Since the shot was done, there's plenty dirty.
So these are like packaging protectors. I guess they're printing them in stacks, and then they've got support material, so they're just breaking them. Kind of smart, pretty efficient. A lot of the stuff that has come with this, like the shoe for the spindle, and a lot of the packaging materials are 3D printed.
Feet on legs first, right?
Yes, feet on legs first. How did you freaking cut yourself?
I don't know. Must have clipped an angle edge of one of those deals. Just take the skin off the top.
That's what happened when that board attacked me. It was my fucking finger.
Not a deep cut, just a bleeder. That sounds like the guy picking up that dumpster.
Lovely.
You hear that winch trying to get that thing up?
Will there be another one? Or
Wow, I didn't take it out one.
Oh, good thing you have a pick 'em up truck.
Never could hit my truck, parked right next to it.
Okay. So the rolling nuts go on the side that goes into that,
Correct.
and then it's tapped on the things for.
Yes. One's top and one's bottom. I don't remember which is which. I think top is the roll-in.
That's why I was just gonna lay the legs out and just put them in place so there's no confusion.
I'm gonna check him real quick, make sure he's not in there.
It says to do 2 legs,
Yes.
flip it over. I don't want to do that. I want to flip it over with all 4.
Okay.
Or else we're going to have to go find a bench or something to set the other side on.
Or does someone hold it while the other one puts the legs on? Okay, so T-nuts going to the top holes.
Everything's already got tread locker on it. I lost my T-handle already. Same size T-handle as the other ones.
Cool.
It's the top hole.
Top holes for T-nuts, yes.
Yeah. Okay. The bottom holes for the others?
Yes.
Okay. I see. Well, that's fun. Fun to get started. That wasn't the sound of one of those rocking.
Nope. Mm-hmm.
I don't like it. Sure.
I just snugged up the T-nut to hold it before I wrangled it.
Aren't you fancy?
You just want to put them all on. Just flip it.
Yeah. Or else we're gonna have to find some pain to like prop it up and then try and hold the leg in place, get the screw started.
Sure.
I feel like I was written for one person. We are 2.
We are too. Ish.
We are the board.
1.5.
supposed to be like, no, you're being annoying. Maybe so. There's a distinct possibility. What do you think it weighs now? 100?
Yeah, probably.
It builds the same way as like a 3D printer, really.
Yeah.
Just a bunch of extrusions, just everything's bigger.
Yep.
Let's do it. Hey, Jimmy.
Flip it long way is probably easier.
Oh, for sure.
Stand up and flip it.
You want to go this way?
Yeah.
Okay. That way and then back
I'll
up.
just rock it up and then, yeah.
Okay. Ow, that's my head.
Watch your head.
Okay.
You don't need that.
No, I don't.
No.
Ready?
Yep. Loose feet.
Yeah. Will you grab that level over there, the yellow one?
Alright, is that where she's living?
Adjusted the feet. Thank you. Not big enough, take the level back. We need this corner to come up slightly.
See if we like that, where it's at. It's the back?
So what it is the whole back.
So we'll go on the back. Pull it.
Yeah, just bring the back up just a little bit.
We wanna go that way, any?
I feel like because the tool changer will live back here,
Mm-hmm.
we'll need a little bit of room.
That's what I didn't know. We go.
I think this is good because if we're loading it from the front, we might come back like 6 inches. Yeah. All right, let's where it lives now.
Here's your fancy wrench.
I have no idea.
Try behind you.
Here you go.
Oh, someone got overzealous.
Yeah. We don't have 2 of those, do we?
Nope.
Okay.
Only one. Still gotta come up here, go against your side.
Same one.
Keep going.
Oops. Are we there yet?
Close. Inch. level?
Oh, it was already not level.
No, but now it's really not gonna be. There we go.
Okay, so front to back, we're almost really good. I think it's this corner is like way low compared to that because it's moving this way. It's pretty alright.
Okay.
Going the wrong way. Where are we at?
A little bit more.
A little bit more.
Just inside the line. Yep, that's pretty good. Check the other.
Okay, one of them's not touching.
It's why we haven't done this other foot over here.
Okay.
That's why. It's a merry-go-round game. Okay. Level that way.
Oh yeah. Cool.
Cinch the top ones.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Tool doesn't do it, I think. Does not appear to actually reach or tighten any of them.
A little bit too small. Okay, I gotta find a pair of pliers.
Pair of pliers, you said?
Yep.
It says wiring harnesses.
Yeah, we're gonna fish the Y cables.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Wiring harnesses are pre-done, so there's that. Y2, X, Z, and Y1. Okay. Both of the harnesses through it at the same time. sure this will be fun. That honestly could not have gone any better. And please. What are you doing today, Solar? Just chilling. Working. Do you work from home or you have to like actually go to a facility? I don't think I've ever really paid attention to that detail. Did they move where they're, so the company moved, so you had to move too? I think we all like money. Makes it easier to exist. Welcome back.
Are you done yet?
No.
Oh.
This staff said, here, bust out like 50 pieces of hardware. Inductive sensors. Do you know what those are?
The wire go through okay?
Dude, it
Straight
literally could not have gone better. It just slid right through there. The hole is like the perfect size and the wires are perfectly stiff. Force head hole. Inductors, probes. And 5x10. Someone got blood all over all the hardware bags.
Same project.
M4, gross. M4 hardware is the worst. M6 shoulder bolts. M5. M6. M5. No washers, just put it in raw. David, no sir. You need to be careful, my wife's gonna find out about you. I did it wrong. Close down the satellite solar. So like multiple operating locations. Thanks, David. What's up?
Nothing.
Something. There. It's here.
Okay, looks like we're probe hardware.
Pow. Right? Is that right? That is right. But yeah, David. I still have to do all of the baseboard. How many feet was that? Like
350.
too much. And then you can kind of see the cabinet frames over there. Those have only been framed. There's still a lot of work to do on those too.
Countertop next week on those.
Yeah. There's more of those rubber tops. Oh, here they are. That's weird. There you go.
It's not this one.
No, it's the one that doesn't have it. For whatever reason. Make it make sense. Does it say anything about how these should be adjusted? I don't know how to read.
So the bump stop should bottom out.
And then tighten up to that
And
point.
then just snug up behind them, it says.
Okay.
So it's
Cool.
important that the bump stop's bottomed out.
When's the grand opening? Well, I mean, now I guess.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! There's a machine being put in it finally after 2.5 months of building.
Yeah.
Classic corporation.
It says 50s.
Oh, do we need to tighten them?
It says snug, I mean, once you have them.
Oh no, I scratched our brand new CNC plate.
Got blood on it, so.
Unacceptable. Getting your freaking liquids everywhere. Okay, rear end plates have the sensors.
Correct.
Okay. So,
This is right.
right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, how do these get secured? We're just doing the
T-nuts probably into the same channel.
T-nuts first.
And then there's 3 more M16s that screw into the
Okay.
braces. It looks like 2 T-nuts and then 3 more
You know, it'd be really great.
3D manual.
3D manuals.
Yeah.
Dude, that picture is so small you can't tell what kind of fastener is on there.
There's a guy that does those.
There is a guy that does those. Sienci Labs, get a hold of him.
I agree.
I'm just lining up the holes.
I just stuck it on there. I'll check him.
It's just a bump stop.
Agreed.
For when we crash the machine first go.
Full speed.
The ball screws on this are so thick.
You just blow this plate right off from me.
Don't let your wife see them.
You got the plate hands?
That's what I came over here for. The step did say like 20 of these, so that makes sense. Oh. Oh. Are we done yet?
Figured you'd be done by the time I got back.
I know, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disappoint. It just happened.
Get to chatting.
I know. It's all your fault, Solar. I was talking to you instead of getting this entire thing done by myself while he was off finding pliers.
You're completely out of frame.
I'm completely out of frame. Turn the camera.
No one wants to see you.
They all want to, especially David. David wants to see.
That's true. I didn't realize David was
He
in
wants
here.
me to drop more fasteners.
David, we'll just zoom in on you then. I don't even need to see the CNC.
Right? Oh, our heads don't exist now.
Is there any wires that need to be fished over there before you put that plate on?
It did not say. I did the fishing. I'm going in order, okay?
Nope,
so
you're good. I'm looking. You're good.
If they forgot something in their manual, they will get called out live. You're following it step by step. See, I told you we need one of those cameras that like follows us automatically.
Track. Automatically.
You take full blame? Good, you should. Spoiled by 3D manuals. Not spoiled by them because I have to freaking make them. Is it so same thing on the front?
Yep.
Okay.
Same.
Same.
Same, same.
So we need
Same more.
trace moss. Pro streamer. Thunder's here.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Here you go, Thunder. Here's the shop.
Yep. Some of it.
The corner.
The corner. Welcome to the corner. Oh no, I dropped the tool.
They have nice things.
Bet you're glad we got more tea handles done.
I mean, we had another mixture. But yes. A little faster than juggling one.
Yes.
Oh. Sweet.
You mean Vux makes them? I mean, Vux does the,
Rendering part.
yeah. Someone still has to do all the actual putting it together and writing it. I don't want to do that. Can we skip that?
I don't think so.
We can't skip that?
Doesn't look like it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, support clip removal. Print check. Whoa!
What?
Take it easy.
Take it easy. That's Pet G.
Yep.
That's different than everything else. That's bamboo. That's a bamboo print if I ever seen one.
Somebody missed.
It wasn't me. Where are those?
Move the linear guide blocks towards the front of the machine. They're in that box, I think.
In that box.
That box.
Where's the knippe?
I don't know. I left it open on the floor. You should have found it.
Oh, well, I did not find it.
Did we have two?
Knife. We should have pre-cut the oil board. Oh wow.
Oh boy, that's chunky.
That is a big piece of freaking aluminum. Holy crap.
Okay. Wow.
Chonk.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty.
Okay, it's got a reference edge that will sit on.
I think
Sits on top of the bearings.
this is your side of the machine. Just drop that and bend it right out.
Yeah, right out of the gate, might as well. Okay.
GIFs. Why have 3D
GIFs.
manuals when you can have GIFs?
It's true. Okay, we need M5 by 16s.
Okay,
8 of them.
for each side. Or total.
M4 by 16s. M5 by 16s will be for attaching it to the ball screw. M4 by 16s to attach to the linear rails.
Okay.
16 M4 by 16.
M4s?
Yes.
Ugh.
There they are. I saw them in the box. I was waiting.
What's up, Trevor? Alright.
That'll be after we put the brackets on.
No, it's now.
Nope.
It's now.
Nope.
Sorted.
There you go.
Alright, so they just rest on the ledge of the carriages.
Yes, there's a reference lid
Yeah.
that sits on the
It's all machined and pretty.
machine and pretty.
You'll need a different T-handle. You already knew that? Already got it.
Oily.
Nice and oily. Mm-hmm. So this home's at the positive position, the 0, 0. Interesting. Oh, that is water. Very smooth. Very, very smooth. First cut in an hour, Trevor? I don't think so. Did you happen to catch what size carriage that was? Did you happen to catch what size carriage that was? I think they're 15s actually. Someone was Damascus was asking what size.
I didn't even look, but they look like probably at least 15s.
I don't think they're 20s.
No. No, I'd say 15s.
Now we do the thing to the
Fuse
thing.
line? Yes. You want to see the GIF?
I would love to see the GIF.
So we just
Don't call it a GIF.
You may have
it's
to
a
jiggle
GIF.
the
Jiggle.
bracket, little bracket jiggle to get it lined up.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Holster.
Well, let's just go in there forever, don't they?
Yes, they do. Okay. Now we need to dig it all the way up against the bump stops.
Cool.
Both satisfying and annoying.
It was actually surprisingly stiff, but smooth.
Okay. Install one bump stop into the right side, so your side. Need to put a bump stop in.
Okay. That's a M5.
Yes, M5 by 10.
Okay.
And
And then that.
into that. Yeah, you can see which one.
Does that mean yours gets an inductive probe?
No, probably.
Oh, look. Called it.
Nailed it.
That's going on the inside, right?
Yes.
I think the x-axis has bigger rails. Yeah. He's saying the Milo's got the 15s and the 20s are like way bigger.
I say that.
You say that and then
I say that.
what's the? Oh, you can't see the characters on that.
No, but it looks like they're the same as the Y. There's just two of them.
Yeah. I actually don't know. I do not know. I don't have calipers here yet. The shop is devoid of tools. I'm not taking
I don't want to take it back off.
the Z plate off of that to find out.
But we could Google it. Okay. Yeah,
You already got it like that.
I've got it. Okay, M6 by 35. 8 of them.
I'm 6 by 35.
Big boys.
Yep.
Okay, make sure gantry is up. There's a little notch on the top. Insert 2 M6 by 35 caps at each end. Do not thread them completely.
No, we need them loose so we can.
Okay.
Alright.
So, yeah.
Get that up on the table.
Put it on an angle.
Yep.
That way we can put the 4 screws in.
Got some wood. Yep. So just the top ones up.
So just leave about an inch of them thread exposed. Yes, top 2.
Okay.
And leave an inch of threading exposed.
Most of the thing is on together with 1 wrench.
I know.
It's great.
We only changed for the linear block.
Hey, you want a drag chain? So do you want a drag chain?
Should probably take that out.
Should probably,
Pretty sure it was on the box, but it says it's inside there.
it said something about it.
I'm pretty sure it was on the box.
There we are.
Problem solved.
We'd be looking for that forever. Cool.
Not the warning. Put the front end and rotate it down. Is that what I saw?
Yeah.
Just mine a little bit.
Went too far. We went ahead and did you tighten that all the way?
Yes.
This we weren't supposed to.
Okay.
Oops. Just back them off a little bit.
On the rails or the ball?
Both, but I
Both.
don't think the ball screw actually matters on this thing. Pretty cool.
Get X on and cinched first and then. No, we just set it in there and then tighten down the Y.
Okay.
Well, yeah, we were probably fine.
We probably were. Oh, there's a thing that says tighten now. Oops.
Okay. Lower two in and leave them loose, it says.
Just leaving the x-axis just loose this whole time.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. The left side, use a bar clamp, contacting the back face to the front edge and squeeze them. Okay. Need a clamp.
Need a clamp.
Clamp.
Clamp time. Clamps. I have more projects planned for this machine than I have time in my life left. And we'll be doing ACM and polycarbonate panels on our web store. Kind of like, I mean, a lot of people do panels, but just having this service here where we live for panels is going to be its main use. But if you look off in the distance, all of those cabinets, they're actually deeper than standard cabinets, so we custom built them. All the drawers and stuff will be made on this as well. Is yours one punched out?
Yes.
Okay.
It is.
What you clamping there?
Says we're supposed to clamp the X-rack to the back is lined up with the plate as a
I see
reference.
what's happening. Yeah.
Yeah, through the middle. Basically, want to make sure the X is contacting the plates.
I see, senor.
See, looks like.
We have to do that on each side.
Yeah,
Okay.
and we can tighten them. Okay, tighten them, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side.
Okay.
Don't be alarmed if it's sticking past the back a little bit. That's normal.
I'm alarmed.
Don't be.
I am.
Too late.
Holy freaking sturdy. I'm alarmed. I got a flat on it. Driving by the square knife. So I have a flat on it. So I guess it's gonna drive by the square knife.
Maybe it's got the copper. I don't look to see how that threads over the square now. Maybe.
No flat. Just no flats. The end. Ooh. That's the end of the table assembly.
Ooh.
Moving on. Z-axis assembly. Parts needed. Yes. Ooh, I don't even know if this has got Z-axis stuff in it.
That's Z-axis.
Is it? Okay.
This is spindle mount. This is Z-axis box. Come on.
Alright. If only someone had lost a name.
Where'd you find it?
No, I was using hands.
Right here.
Oh, it was blended in
Right
with
where
the
I
floor.
left it. More hardwood.
Here you go. What are we doing? Okay, is that bit in the spindle box then?
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, okay. We are attaching
Stickers.
stickers. Gotta have your Altmill stickers.
More stickers.
Gotta have your more Altmill stickers. Oh, is that billet?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. It's beautiful. Shiny. The anodizing on it's very nice.
Looking for those parts.
And so there's the shoulder bolts. That's that part. There's that part.
Okay, I'm looking for the.
Where's the shoulder bolts?
I was looking for the drag chain bracket too.
The drag train bracket not in the box
Here.
in there. Says we need 4 of these for this.
Okay. Then you got M6 by 25s. 2 of them.
I don't yet, but I will. Beautiful.
Tighten the shoulder screw on the right side first.
Okay.
That's what it says.
Okay. Do the shoulder screw on the right first.
Correct.
Doing it. Do both the
Top
shoulder screws first.
Yes.
Okay. Easy enough.
You need 2 5 by 10.
Okay. The what's it called? Loctite on these bolts is like thick.
Pretty thick. Yeah.
Thicker than a Snicker.
Right through the glass table.
Pow! Well, that's what you get for having a glass table here and leaving it. Especially with the 2 bolts just kind of This way?
Mm-hmm.
That way.
Flat towards the stepper.
Well, maybe I don't want to put the flat towards the stepper. I want to do it my own way.
Okay, going off the chart.
Off the beaten path. Choose your own adventure. Well, yeah, solar, they, hold the spindle. The one T handle is already bent, solar. Got a good old kink in it. What'd you drop?
I found it. Okay.
David's not here to watch you.
So I quit dropping stuff then.
Yep. Let's yeah, solar. Let's let the spindle go flying.
Okay. Now you need to raise it all the way to the top.
Oh no! Need to raise it to the top, or
Because we need this block all the way up before we put the Z sensor in.
well, how are we gonna? Is it thread? Oh, threads in there.
It sticks. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Wrong way. All the way. Turn all the leads, the ball screws thingies.
Good luck.
Oh, that's stiff. Okay.
Good.
Good. How could you?
Okay. So the bottom's out. Loosen it by 2 turns.
1,
Alright.
2.
Oh, my wrench that doesn't wrench.
The wrench that doesn't wrench.
Not the outside one.
Cool.
Cool. Fully spinning, done.
Go on the machine now. What is that measuring, anyways?
That plate that's in there, probably.
Interesting.
I just detects it, because it's right in front of that plate there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
We got
I like it.
right. Okay.
Shoulder bolt.
Yes. M6 shoulder screw into the counter bore threaded.
Oh, I see how that works. Let me put one on the
Put
carriage.
one on the carriage and then
Yeah.
Yep. Sandwich them.
Yep.
I like it. I like it.
Does it say to tighten them fully?
It does not.
Does it say to not tighten them fully?
Seat it. Tighten the bottom one to clamp the 2 plates together.
Okay. So tighten the top one. Or just leave them both loose.
Do not tighten this screw completely. Yeah, leave them loose, put it on, tighten the bottom one.
Okay.
And then we'll put it 4 by M6 by 14. Yep.
Nice. It said tighten the bottom one, but not the top.
That's what it says.
Okay.
Tighten the bottom one.
Oh, No, camera.
Camera's looking at
They
nothing.
missed the Z-axis. Oh no.
Watching me drop screws.
I have to redo it.
Yep.
Oh no. Nice.
Okay. And these.
Interesting. Because if you don't like that, you see what's happening there?
I think that's just there to key it when you put it on the
It is, but if you tighten that one, it pivots the whole thing. You tighten the bottom one. The right size wrench for this. I just presume they're going there.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
All the way around.
I feel like I could have attached that later.
Feels like it may be in the way a little bit.
That might be just slightly in the way. I just like this. Human torque wrench.
4 on this thing too.
What's going on this? There's more?
No, I was just saying I got
Oh,
when your
the
rail
fairness.
blocks, I got 4 on the Z.
Oh, even better.
Yep.
That's where all the forces are.
Yep.
I am having a time of my life.
That is it for Z. Now we get to put motors on.
Ooh. Motors. Servo motors at that.
Mm-hmm.
No Loctites, they're all pre-applied, Trevor. They've all got Loctite pre-applied to them. Servos. Who wants a servo motor? Who wants another servo motor? How about a third one? You want a servo motor? Have a servo motor. Don't drop it. 12 and 5x10s. That makes sense because we're installing 3 motors.
2 different boards. Put the 8 and a 10. Put the 8 on the motor.
Put the bore that fits on the motor on the motor.
Make sure it's bottomed out.
Bottom it out and then tighten it.
Yes. Not bottomed out is bad.
The couplers on the motors. Servo motors for BT. 2.0. That is the plan for 2.0. That's why it's 1.1 and not version 2.
M5x10.
I got the bag right there.
Where are you?
Oh, that one's done.
Too strong.
That one doesn't work for that.
Here.
Oh yeah, get one of the blue ones.
What it came with.
Just snap the T-handle.
It's actually a proper 9.
Oh,
9
nice.
lead, so it's probably a little stronger.
It's a circle now.
I broke that one first go.
What are you doing?
Destroying them.
Stop.
I know. I'm sorry.
We're running out.
They don't grow on trees.
There's now only one left.
You're gonna snap that one too.
We still gotta tighten the other side.
60-volt servos. Sheesh. Another one of the things about the Altmill versus some of the other ones out there is people said the default firmware tuning on it was a lot quicker than some of the other machines. They are not ball ends, Trev. I'm not you. Is it the gray T handles are from Harbor Freight, so the end just like sheared right off of it. The blue one is what came with it, so I wouldn't assume that to be any better than what came from Harbor Freight. Does it say which way the motor connectors need to be?
Mine was dip switches down. Let me check on the Y. Same thing. Dip switch is pointing down.
Dip switches down.
Dip switch is down.
Got it. All three of those motors were the same, right? It's only the Z that's got a different one.
Correct.
Okay. Something you pay attention to before you put it on.
No, after.
Oh, I guess we need to secure the
Break that one, we're getting the Paricos out.
No, we're not getting the Fabricas out.
Yeah, we're gonna make you be more careful.
Oh, yeah. Well, it'll be on you, sir, to tighten mine for me. Because, I broke my wrench. It is plural.
Using the bigger one.
No, to do the,
Yeah, I don't have a small wrench, I have a big.
Oh, okay. Well, then I'll break another one.
Might as well, Craig.
Yeah, might as well. Here I go. Time to break it.
One tug or less.
Oh, I can feel this one wanting to give up.
This Holt well, this one's spinning it without even being tightened.
Do what?
So that one's spinning this without even being tightened down.
Use alignment issue. Snap. Yes, Reth. There, it's except it's crap. What is the place in Canada? It's not Swedish. It's Canadian. So it's not that.
You sure?
1, 2, 3,
Off.
4, 5s are on.
4 and 5 on.
Is that all of them?
All of them.
Okay.
And
This
then
one is correct. This one is correct. Correct.
Z should be 1, 2 off, 3, 4, 5 on.
Correct.
Okay.
Where are the directions? They are on my computer screen here. Drag chain ends.
Yay.
Yay.
One end. Those are beefy.
It's a good old drag chain.
Where's the other?
What you looking for?
Other ends?
Did we miss? Is there a drag chain inside the?
No.
Did you look? Make sure that there wasn't one on each end of this.
No.
Watch it. The other drag chain. Watch the other drag chains in the X. Uh-oh. Oh, attempting, Breath, to build a CNC table while leaving parts inside of parts, probably.
Most likely.
I'm gonna have to drop that. We're gonna have to take the X-axis back on. This spindle did not end up being needed
Not yet.
for the Z-axis. I think they back together. It's a little strange.
Yep. I'm guessing it's floating way in the middle.
Alright, let's drop the X-axis.
It was not on my end. I thought you pulled them out.
I pulled one out on this side.
Yeah, I thought it.
I have to undo that motor, huh? To get it to come off.
Or just take that plate off and then
And then see if
I'll
it's
hold
in
it
there.
up and just slide it back. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's definitely the way to do it.
I agree. Less screws.
These are very long screws though.
The drill.
Mm-hmm. Use the impact, which the instructions explicitly say do not. Bless. Is there even going to be enough light in there to see?
That's what I'm looking at. It's the slide the whole gantry back because it was where it hit this trying to.
Oh, there's motors.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Simple mistakes.
Best kind.
Let's not bend the end plate on the other side. Get a light. Just power drill at level 1 for undoing stuff like that. I agree. I don't have any Allen bits for the impact I have here though. Hey look, a drag chain.
Right in there?
It's right in there. Hold on.
Oh, look at you.
Just to alleviate you while alleviate some work for you while we figure out how we're gonna get that out of there. Oops.
Hey, you're right in the
Yeah,
middle.
you know the box even said, hey.
Well, you know, we pulled out the package. I didn't know there was 2 packages.
Yeah.
Need that device. Need a probing device.
Get the fish that we used for that because it's got a hook on the end. The whole shop was built with Phillips and Torx. I haven't needed Allen stuff here yet. This is the first machine that we've moved into the new shop. Moved into. It came in like 6 boxes. Not all at the same time though. Shop party win, shop party now.
You want a shop party?
This is like the first time we're spending time here, not building the shop.
Well,
Building the stuff that goes.
Now we're building the stuff that goes in the shop. Really, just beyond cabinets and all the trim board, shop's pretty much done. Still have to wrap these pillars. It's built into a pole barn. Oh. And at some point, it costs more than a car, so it's not going to happen anytime soon, but we'll be doing a drop ceiling in here as well. What was it, like 15 to do the drop ceiling? Did you get it? He got it.
hey, look what I found.
Oh look, a drag chain. We need that.
Oh, look. More drag chains.
That thing we need. Okay, put this back together.
Back in reverse.
When we're chasing some weird Z artifact later, it'll be because of this. So much binding. I'm working it. Trying to get enough thread to actually support the weight.
That's on the lip, so it's not. I'm more holding back and forth right now.
Okay. Crisis averted, drag chain recovered. Okay, so where were we?
I don't know. You need to put it back to 0. Back
Oh.
to the front.
Yeah, the servos do not like moving on their own.
I'm just gonna twist it so it's.
That's how my hand got greased. We are the CNC controller.
Got something pretty quick like this.
Yeah, no, I'd rather. I'd rather use it just like I mean, I'd rather. There we go. Ta-da!
Okay. Taking these off.
Taking those off, so we need a flathead. Probably. You need a drag chain? Remove the drag chain end links, it says. These are some very beefy drag chains. That'll totally work without snapping that blade. Trying to shoot razor bits into my face. Yeah. There's one.
Okay. And
How to get this one apart without stabbing yourself.
good question.
There's another. Does the instructions say which way? It does not matter. So there's a fixed in and a plugging in.
Yeah, I haven't got that far.
Okay.
Yeah, an outside and inside. Yeah. M5 nylocks.
Are these tapped holes or?
It looks like one of them wants a nut, just T-nuts on them, and then okay, insert 3 T-nuts into the left side X rail via the opening.
Oh, that's cool. They machined in a little pocket to slide these in.
Yeah. So one will be for X, and then the other 2 are for Y.
Are these M4 fasteners?
M5, those right there.
Okay. So they're gonna use the
Okay.
fat one.
And so then we
They are.
put this one and this one. Okay.
Oh, come on. Why am I doing 3 into here? Oh, there's 2 drag chains.
There's 2 drag chains right here.
Hooking up. I got it. Understood. It moves in 2 axes. It helps if you get your rolling nuts.
Yeah.
Your T-nuts.
Right direction.
The right direction. Should be better with the thinner.
No, you broke close.
I know. Does it say how far to put them?
Go there. Just gotta get from now and then.
Come back and adjust later.
Yep.
Q. I assume the cable's just round the corner here.
Yeah, looks like it.
Okay. Very cool.
And
I need 2 more of those bolts. Thank you.
then one T-nut goes here.
Doing Thunder proud right now. Professional streamer.
Professional.
Professional.
Okay. Like that. There you go. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Pairs are opposite. Yeah, like that one? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, the one on the Z goes with the 2 nuts.
So some nylock nuts.
Nylock nuts. Oh, this one.
Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. Here you go again. It's beautiful. I don't know about you, but this has been a lifelong goal.
Yes, I've always wanted one. Especially one like this. I had the one that I built out of MDF and
The ones that you build like
MDF
onto the
degree.
spoil board.
yeah,
Yeah, no.
all hand cut with a jigsaw. Yeah. This is a little different caliper.
Yeah.
Just a touch. Oh my goodness, all of them?
All of them, dude.
I'll probably need a smaller flathead for that.
Let's see. The pry is on this side, so yes. Well, get your, oh, you know what?
What?
You know what?
What?
I know what to do.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
I do know what to do.
I'll get a drink.
Yep, you just signed every single one.
We have to do something to every single one.
Do you need help?
Yes.
LTTstore.com.
Not especially.
I wish. Send more screwdrivers, Linus. Go ahead and tear right into it. Look, there's a perfect size flathead in the default build kit. I did buy the metric hex for it too.
Oh, nice.
And I just put this in my lock and lock position.
Spoiled.
And pop every single one of these. Oh my goodness.
Is there another flathead anymore?
Here, I got you. And twist. Just pop them. This one too. Yep. Are you done yet?
No.
Okay.
There's so many.
There's so many.
Why is there so many?
Okay, clip hanger.
Every single one. That's just peachy.
Yeah.
Feels like a big bowl of sauerkraut.
Every single one.
Every single morning. he gets it. Big old bowl of sauerkraut. Is that for the other lighter?
Yeah. These fit nice. Yep. I guess it's 4x4. So
They came in two pieces.
yeah, I just made both the symbols the same. But it's 4x4, so yes, they should be.
The orange is very nice on camera too. You can do it. Is it the wrong end?
Huh?
I mean, no, like, is it the wrong? Because one of them doesn't let it pivot, another does. This is the side that doesn't let it pivot, so that's not why.
Yeah, that one should be the rigid side there.
It is.
Okay. Take the pivot keys what's
Fun in the sun.
right.
Is it because that key is open?
Because look, this one I'm on here, but it's not happy about it. You can flip that first one.
Surely not. I mean, that's kind of on there. Oh, there we go. That's totally it. It's definitely meant to be like that. No, there's no way. There's no way.
No
It's supposed to be
way.
like that.
No.
You got
Nope, it shouldn't be. Nice and flat.
I love drum machines.
Especially huge ones.
Mm-hmm. That fully is. Here, let's loosen them up.
Yeah, too tight.
maybe that's the issue on that one.
No, cause it's this. That's what I got going up top. Get it, cause this link is taking a flip from what was on the chain.
Flip the one. Or are we being dumb?
I
mean, there's a highly possible chance that we're just being dumb. He went ahead in the instructions before we finished this step.
No,
This freaking guy.
chain. Here, I think that's all we gotta do.
Well, it really does. Is just like, here you go.
There, I just flipped the first link,
Okay.
which locks it rigid. So.
Ooh, we're about to get to put the spindle on because I'm looking ahead now. Oh, you locked it.
Cool. I'm guessing.
Drag chain on. What's up?
Both those chains are the same length, right?
They weren't supposed to be on yet.
Okay.
So what happens? Spindle time.
Ooh.
What is it? It said something about something. Loosen the spindle clamp. Place the styrofoam packaging on the front crossbeam.
On the spindles in.
4 5/8. 4.5 inches. And then their picture is 4 5/8. I guess they're talking about this foam.
That's gotta be spindle packing foam.
Oh boy. Go ahead and drop that. You got a tape measure? It just crushes the packing foam. Huh?
height?
4.5 inches from the end of the spindle to the bottom of the bracket. Bottom of the spindle.
Some holes for it,
Bottom of the spindle. That's the wrong way. Let me get the wrench. You like it?
yeah. Yeah, it's pretty close.
Pretty close.
Snug it once move the phone and check it.
It's an interesting logo. Precision.
We're good.
We have spindle now.
Have spindle. Spindle controller.
You have experience with the Altmill? Like, there's been a lot of people to say that, but yeah, I mean, that's what the internet seems to think. Very good machine for the money. Goes in that pocket there. Cool.
Gotta be a bracket for that first.
Is there?
This and this?
I think the instructions are a little bit vague there because there's multiple spindle options.
Gotcha.
I would assume so.
So there's nothing to hold this on the back side of that right now.
Okay. So then how would that?
Let me get to the plate part if it shows it.
You have an adapter for the 240. Is there
Yeah.
we got that.
I think it's on the table out there. There should be a box with the plugs for the
What's the bolt pattern on that?
two.
Okay, so we'll bolt it to that, and then this will get. This is tapped and threaded.
So screw from the outside. Okay. So we bolt it to
Oh
that. side.
yeah.
Okay.
So bolt this to the back of that. However, whatever fasteners.
Screws to see. Mounting bracket, spindle cable, power cable. Don't see any screws.
Found a gap in the documentation.
So the link that says basically spindle. Do this.
I think there's some hardware with the shoe and stuff. Oh, this white box is empty. Fill the packaging. There's not looked at those shoes.
Do it.
We just kind of got to use what there is, I guess. Let's see, M5 nylock nuts.
Here, hold on. Here we go. It was collapsed.
Oh, okay.
We need M5 by 16s and 2 M-lock nuts.
Wow. Almost as if that was like the only way it was ever going to go together.
That one for the nylon.
That itty bitty one.
The itty-bitty one.
Good. Say, I'm surprised, like,
And then 2 M5x16s to attach to the leg.
there's so much less hardware than, like, a Boron for something that is absolutely massive.
Yeah.
I guess it is kind of, like, partly pre-assembled, but...
Yeah. I mean, the legs are giant.
I was thinking of asking if this is an easier build than a Boron.
Do the spindly controller thingy. Oh, they branded it. Neat. This is VFD. Yeah.
Yes. This is the unenclosed one.
What does that mean?
Here's the enclosed one.
Okay. Things and stuff and things.
Yeah, I don't. Oh, it doesn't have the controls
Oh,
on the front. That's the difference.
do we know what these controls do? Spindle speed?
Yeah, I'm
We can
assuming it's for
set that
tweaking.
in.
Well, I think that's what the unenclosed. It's got a data cable for it. That I'm guessing for. Yeah.
Okay. Do we know what screws to secure this to the table? Same?
M5x16s.
Okay. That's cool. Her click.
Metal on glass. Ears.
Metal on glass, ears, my bad. If things are poop, I will say they are poop, yes.
Yep.
Somewhere around there.
Yeah, down.
Yeah. Cool. It falls in their leg pocket pretty well. That's good. Inputs.
Okay. Now we see done.
One phase 220 at 60 hertz. And outputs 3-phase. Interesting. 3-phase spindle.
Okay, so cable needs to come around the leg to the front and then up and over. Get that. Maybe dumpster guy from there.
What was the one dumpster guy earlier?
No, it was across the way.
Oh, that spins. Oh. Smooth. Are you sure about that?
Yeah,
Okay. Never mind. Ignore me.
pretty sure. Triple check now before I think
Yeah,
it
no,
was around.
I was like, but the drag chain is here.
Yeah, come around the leg to the front, then up and over. That's what it says. Then through the back, and then up and into the top of this. It shows.
Glad you twisted the whole length of that.
I do. You're welcome.
It's pretty straight.
You're not that sure?
No, we're not gonna fit through there. Need a screwdriver. Pop that real quick. But I tried to. Just didn't try not to. Oh no, I've lost my holding space with that. Okay.
I just leave that one back and then we'll just do this.
Yeah. It goes to here. I hate drag chains. Drag chains hate me.
I think this thing there we to take this clip off. Just snap it on here so we can fish it through. That sounds like dumpster guy. I'm gonna go move my truck before he hits it.
We're on the. Alright. That is X. Get to do the Z axis cable now. Controller side, motor side. Z, right? Yeah. Interesting.
There's a pile of gravel blocking it off.
The dumpster, the roll off. That's great. Oh, those are tiny little screws for the motor power is on its own terminal. I would grab that. Then we get into x-axis stuff. Fun, fun. Controller side and motor side.
You need me to close those as you pull it? Okay.
This is fun. Cool. That is most of the machine routed in cable chains. Well, yeah, better do that. Motor power is important. Cool. Okay. Now, on that. Do not pinch. Got it. I don't know what I'm doing. There's a freaking ratcheting screwdriver here. That is correct, Cody. That will be happening here. Well, joking or not, you got it right. We started this shop, I want to say like a week before the Kickstarter campaign for Snapping Turtle, and we're just now today starting to like actually move machines into it. We're not done. I still got to do all the baseboards everywhere and the countertops over there, but beyond that, I mean it's like 98%, I'd say. The shop I'm in is completely purpose built for us. Like this spot where I've got the Altmill, where I got 220 and 110 in the wall because we knew this would be going here. Thanks, Cody. Oh, come on now. Ooh, controller setup. Starting to get into the electrical components. Where, okay. emergency stop button. Very nice. Ew. Getting there. About to put the main board on. I forget what they call this thing. The super long board. So Box Turtle has the long boy now,
Yeah.
and Altmill's
This has the
got
long
the
board.
super long board. I know it's like more typical for a CNC controller to be pretty densely populated, but this is the busiest board I have ever personally seen. I think computer motherboards are more sparse than this guy. Now, how do we actually attach it to the machine?
That's a great question.
It is, isn't it? It's because it doesn't actually. It's got to be like peanuts from the back or something.
Oh,
I
it
would
does.
assume, anyways.
Insert two M5x10s into the two holes under the Altmill cutout. Thread two M5 T-nuts onto the screws, leaving them loose. Slide the enclosure.
They would do that without pictures. Don't they know that?
I know. Gotta read.
No, I don't know how to read. I'm like 40% of fourth graders in America.
M5x10s.
M5x10s.
Yeah, two of them. Last two.
Little smalls. Then we get to figure out the CNC computer,
Yay.
because the mounting for that looks fun. Okay. CNC controller design. He said something about gravel behind the dumpster.
Oh, it just took a minute to get lined up because that pile that was behind it, it was tilting the trailer.
The wedge things kept colliding with the trailer.
Okay.
This is a fun spot to be. This definitely couldn't have happened before the VFD controller. They could have. It'd be a lot easier. Okay. What's next?
Oh, connecting some cables.
Connections and cables. Oh boy.
Okay. Says power connector can go to any plug on the back. So any of these can stick to power.
Okay.
What's that one?
Y1.
Okay. Y1 is.
We do X first.
Yeah, do X and Z. That's what it shows first.
Okay. X and Z first.
Yeah.
Weird.
The X is to the front, Z's in the back.
Okay.
Not there, just these plugs. This is X, that one's Z. That, the
Oh,
power,
I see.
you can plug
I
the
see.
power into any of them, it doesn't matter.
It's labeled. Well, I want to go the same way as what that is, just for. Same for end stops, huh?
Yep.
Oh, cool. It's all keyed and everything. Totally possible to mess up, but you know. Possible to mess up in a way where it's your freaking fault if you do.
Here's Z.
What about Z? Nothing? Huh? Nothing? No. That's fun.
But easier start from Z and work forward.
It would have been. Oh, well.
Hindsight.
2020? There's definitely plenty of slack
That's
on
one
that.
across the back.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, yeah. Which one of these? I guess just plug it in and we'll fish into a box.
Yep.
Barrels on the power cables, nice.
Not solder, as it should be. Very
And
nice.
pre-terminating the connectors too.
Yeah. Very well done. I wish we used more of these connectors because you just squeeze them together, kind of like how
Yeah.
Ethernet and whatnot,
Yeah, as far as splicing them.
RJs or whatever they're called.
Okay.
Now I knew all the spindle hookups, right?
Y1, Y2.
Let's see, we got 2 Ys. X and B. None of this stuff wants to live in here.
That's what this is for.
Yeah, I know, but we gotta hook up all the other stuff.
Well, that's it, they showed put the cover on. Everything else plugs in outside.
Really? Like spindle power and all that?
Yeah, so
Okay. Okay.
that's what it says.
What it says.
What it says, reinstall, yeah. The green in-stop connector plugs to the outside. 48.
Alright, I did it.
Okay.
They're locked up. Hopefully this cord reaches. I don't think it's going to. We're gonna need an extension cord.
Awesome.
Indeed.
Okay, you have a cable for the e-stop?
I don't. It's in the box still.
Where's that box? Oh. Got it. What's this thing? What's this 3D printed plate for?
You have a different VFD, the other
Oh,
one.
this is a block out.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay. That looks like.
This front side, I think. It's right here.
Okay. So, pendant USB. Where's that going?
This.
Oh, emergency stop button. The thing that's definitely gonna make us wonder, why is the machine not working? At least once.
This is spindle plugs into here.
Spindle plugs in there. RS485.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remember, where's the power supply? We have not done that yet. You could, we gotta change this plug.
Yes.
Actually, we should just get a new cable because this is
Get a
not.
longer one, yeah.
Yeah. Not long enough.
Power supply box. Took it out of the.
Power supply's right here, I think. Right. But how does it mount?
Good question.
Ooh, that is got some weight.
Doesn't say.
Doesn't say.
It's gotta be within range of that. Maybe this low.
It has to say somewhere.
You skip it, maybe.
Possible.
It is possible.
I don't recall seeing.
So we got control board, e-stop button, spindle. Yeah, it shows connecting the power supply cable. Is it just?
Just completely waltzes over the power supply?
No, it just shows the power supply laid on the floor. Like a big USB brick.
Finished.
When?
There's gotta be a way to mount it.
See?
Weird.
But that's also, I think we got a lot bigger power supply than the other smaller one.
Okay. First movement's my butt. Alright, you know what we can do now? Panel computer.
Yep. Is this the mounting correction?
Huh?
I'm freaking out now if those are hooked up and you're clicking.
It's fine. I just voided the warranty on it. No big deal. Power it on.
Okay. This thing mounts right over the cables.
I don't know where it mounts.
Yeah, like this.
Okay. Oh, cool. Did it come with its own hardware set?
Should have hardware, yes.
I mean, yeah, it should have hardware.
I'm getting there.
I'm getting there.
Here.
Cool. Wow.
Much wow.
The way it is meant to be. We're now off the beaten path.
Looks like a TV mount kit.
It does. Because it is.
Pretty much.
I didn't expect a giant screen on it.
One. That's the CNC machine.
Or if I expected a small screen on it.
That would be more akin to a 3D printer. It goes in the hole. And it likes it.
Oh yeah, it is a monitor desk mount.
surprised I am not, because that's exactly
But can it run Doom?
Yes.
That's what I thought.
That's the whole Windows 11 computer.
So we just got a single notch slot in the.
Fine.
How much RAM do you think is in this thing?
Huh?
How much RAM do you think is in this?
It has 8 gigabytes of DDR4
Mm.
for about $1,200 US worth now. RAM. Obviously, I'm kidding.
Are you sure?
Alright, what's next?
That's what I'm looking at, because we have. What's the mount on the top of that thing? Is it just a mount slot?
Yeah, it's just a slot.
They give you this.
That's a like a
But that's
boom.
to mount to a desk. We just need this.
I think we just need this and that, right?
Those mount to the screen.
Oh, you know what, dude? I bet the pole can go in that or the, and then this, right?
That hooks to the bracket on the screen. This goes on this pole, which is.
Right, and then this goes here? Or no?
No. This is what mounts. That's why I don't know how it
Oh, okay, I
mounts.
got
Normally it
you.
mounts to a clamp for a desk, but we're using a bracket, not a clamp.
Okay.
So that's what I didn't know is how it mounts to that. Does it line up with the?
I mean, just set it off to the side, I guess. I don't know. It had a QR or something, or
That's what I'm on now.
okay.
But it's just showing. Oh wait. Okay. Here it is.
Fancy.
Is it threaded on the bottom? In the middle?
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh, is that how you do it?
We take this off.
Okay, that makes more sense.
I don't know if we should put this on the. No. Okay.
Okay. You just whack it on there, huh?
Yep, through the bottom end of the pole. We just.
I am so glad there's so much thread there.
Must be secure.
Hmm. Do the spinnies. Still going.
Are you there yet?
Are we done yet? And then we get to bust out the track saw and make the board with the deck. Yeah, I know they are, Cody. When I built my current computer, it was only like $400 to get the 128 gig kit of the DDR5, and now that same kit is basically kissing 2000. It makes no sense.
Good. Got my
Is that Phillips?
Linus text tips. What's that screwdriver?
You need a Phillips. right? This is made for this stuff. Imagine that, sir. How would you feel like that?
Oh no. Screen went off on it. Alright, they got multiple repair.
They do. I'm still pulling away by that, dude. That just hook on here? Oh, I see how it goes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got a set screw on the top.
Nice. Very nice. This is a big boy. Bigger than that even. This is well, I guess this spins, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But this is at the top?
Yes.
Okay. Right? Yeah. Crack. The stands for those T-wrenches is terrible.
Oh, not great, huh?
They are lower than not great. They are terrible. Simply terrible.
You center the camera on where the computer's being mounted. That's kind of
It is, kind of.
off frame.
Yeah. There. Now they can see the panel computer.
Nice.
Snug these two, just snug them, not cinch them, but
Oh, they're already.
pretty good.
Cool.
Good thing we got that power strip.
That's doing all of these computers.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Should've got two.
Just look at it. Alright, where's that USB? Oh.
Use. Told you it's for old wrenches.
Yeah, nice. Oh, okay. Really shorten it up. Do we have another thing here at all?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Don't think so.
Cool. Well, at least the laptop can survive for a little bit.
Then I can get the cord so we can plug. Of course,
Yeah.
we lose the big screen though. Okay.
What?
I feel like a lot of those.
I don't think we ever used them once. So it's obviously for something we don't have.
True.
I don't like that this cable is white and everything else is black.
New USB-C. good.
Power turn? We gotta situate power. We can't run the spindle, but.
Right.
Yeah. Those magnets are good. Fairly far off.
No, it's pretty close.
Close enough. There you are. Ooh, we're gonna get to watch it burn down.
Nice.
We're gonna have to build something for power management just for this machine.
Yep. Just need to put a better cord on this.
I flipped the switch on that, so I'll have to like fucking pulse when you get that. The power button is there. Booting? Okay. Okay. That's on. It hasn't caught fire. Yeah.
I got a cord for this. Support up instructions.
I don't know if that's all glare or y'all can actually see that display. What is it? Lensafray? I don't know how to say your name. Yeah, it definitely is. It is absolutely sick. Disconnected. Connect to CNC. Column 3. Oh, we got it. Do I know how it works? No. What is our alarm? E-stop asserted. Clear and reset. There we go. Oh, it made bunches of clicks. Whew. It lives.
It moves.
It moves. It moves very quickly, I thought.
Oh. Ooh.
Let's home it, huh? Click the home button.
Just be ready with the stop.
Okay. Okay.
Didn't explode.
It homes. The panel computer controls it. Gotta say, just for putting it together and plugging everything in, that's wild. How long has the stream been going? Do we know?
I've been in and out.
Do you know?
Like 3 hours. What? Might be longer.
Not.
3 hours, 16 minutes.
3 hours? So I still have to get out the track saw and cut down the MDF for the spoil board on this, and then set up the T-tracks. But 3 hours, and we've got a running CNC table.
How long does it take to build a Voron?
I can build a Voron in a weekend, a 2.4 in a weekend. Not 3 hours, more like 15. And that's like cutting a couple corners, not doing skirts. Just hold it and it goes. Oh, if you just hold the buttons, it just moves until you let go.
Of course it does.
That's fantastic, dude.
What kind of wood are you gonna make the thing out of?
Oh, that's because the e-stop was on it.
Yeah.
Do what?
What kind of wood are you gonna make the thing out of?
MDF. The spoil board will be made out of MDF, and then we got for holding work. He already opened them. Didn't know that. These are aluminum extrusions. That you said, showing you. You can clamp to. But yeah, we did get the T-tracks for it as well.
And the probe.
Oh yeah, and the probe, but we got get a new cord for the spindle,
Yeah.
the VFD. It's very short. I didn't know that the T-tracks would be black. I like that.
Me too.
Let's do the thing again because it's fun. Ooh. It lives.
Yeah.
It's made of fingerprints now.
Forever. That magnet the ground to the.
Their touch off plate is very shiny. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Not anymore now that you touched it. Fingerprints forever.
Fingerprints forever. What's next? Do we need to find the limits of it, or?
We didn't get alarm 10 when Z went up, right?
No, it homed perfectly.
So our Z sensor is perfect.
Everything works. It just is working. We can't test the spindle, of course, but
No
the
alarm.
kinematics of it are done.
Yes, XYZ's golden.
I like the sound. Very cool. It's not multi-touch though. How's everything looking?
Look at the ball screws and
Beautiful?
Yeah.
It's just all absolutely beautiful.
it is beautiful.
I like that soft check on the Z1 that it does.
Mm-hmm. Quick for a 4-foot home.
That's fantastic. Why are you hiding my thing? 544. Nice.
Give you an extra.
Alright, let's load up Doom on the panel computer. Okay. Cool. Q.
We just get a new power cable, we can just terminate it and be a few bucks.
Yeah,
We'll just re-terminate where it ties in.
Mm-hmm.
Or a plug on it, probably get a little beefier one.
Yeah,
Be
and
going
then
a
we
little
just
bit longer.
need to figure out a situation for the 110 situation.
Yeah.
Situation, because internet.
Yeah, it was nice the Star Strips nagging it.
One
Yeah.
situation is crazy.
The first project I know they do for these is a little filler for right here at the front. Yeah, we'll get into all that when we figure out how we're gonna do dust collection.
Yep.
Awesome.
Cool. Wow. We ran this thing this way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Pretty good.
confident in their bed adhesion.
It's a good seam too.
Fantastic. That went together so fast.
Yeah, other than the drag chain.
Yeah, other than the drag chain took like half the time.
The giant piece of paper says drag chains in the X.
Yeah.
How long did you expect the build to take?
I didn't really know. I was hoping less than 8 hours, and here we are. It only took 3. So. Very cool. Very nice machine. Can't wait to use it.
Yep.
Okay. Now we figure out this part of OBS. All right, everyone that stuck around, thanks for watching. I'll post some YouTube updates of it later. I think I just hit the stop streaming button, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, bye, everyone.